I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the account link between Teams and OneDrive. This is essential because Teams references OneDrive paths for file storage. Sign into the OneDrive desktop client and make sure your important folder is inside your OneDrive sync route. Once done, open Teams, go to the channel or chat and click Files. This prepares the Teams UI to show OneDrive-based locations. You're doing this now, so permissions and sync mappings are ready before you move or share content. Now you connect the exact OneDrive folder into Teams as a tab or cloud storage location, so everyone accesses the same synced content. In a channel, click Files, then add Cloud Storage and select OneDrive, or add a new tab and choose Document Library to point to the folder's SharePoint-backed path. This keeps file links consistent. Make sure you assign edit or view permissions for team members. This is why Teams shows the correct access and prevents duplicate copies. Finish by verifying that edits made in Teams immediately update in your OneDrive folder. Open a file, save a change, and check the OneDrive client or web to confirm propagation. If it doesn't sync, restart the OneDrive app and ensure you're signed into the same M365 account. Mismatched accounts are the usual culprit. If problems persist, inspect SharePoint folder permissions and clear the Teams cache. These steps resolve most conflicts and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.